Hey YouTube, today I'm cleaning this jute cotton area rug. It's 35% jute and 65% cotton according to the label on the back. And what this is going to do, you can see the texturing on this, it's going to make it pretty interesting to clean because obviously when it comes to vacuuming and even suction with your wand, having this much texture an uneven surface is going to really stifle your suction and ability there to clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to completely saturate this area rug, and I'm going to use this broom here to give it some agitation. I will go over it with a wand just to give it a rinse, but it's probably going to leave it pretty wet. Being a natural fibers though, it is going to dry fairly quickly. If you look at sheep, llamas, and other animals that are commonly used, their hair is used for carpeting and area rugs. You have to imagine when God created them, they created them to dry quickly. You know, after a rain, sheep don't stay wet in the pasture for days. They dry literally within minutes. You know, within 45 minutes or less, they're completely dry. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the same approach here, but what we're going to be using today is End Cap Green by Vac Away. This goes in any oils and stuff in the carpeting here will be addressed by the End Cap Green. It'll completely take all that stuff, annihilate it, and pretty much kill it. However, it is fairly neutral. So it's, I believe it has like a 7.4 pH, so it's going to be very safe on natural fibers. It's not going to cause any pH issues or weaken fibers or anything like that. So I've got some of it already made up that we used yesterday to clean some nasty throw mats in the back of some throw rugs that were used in a vehicle. And this stuff actually worked pretty good, so we're going to use it here, and I'm going to give it a quick vacuum. I'm going to go over it, give it a clean, then I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So that is going to be our method of cleaning today. However, again, with this being jute, uneven surface, pretty braided and knotty, it's going to be a little bit challenging to clean, and it may or may not get the results that we're looking for, but at least it will be cleaned and sanitized and hopefully smelling a lot better. Alright, so I've gone through here, I sprayed it, and I went ahead, and what we did is we went, because there's grooves cut in here because of the braiding that's in here, I went ahead and went in this direction, and it actually looks much brighter right now already. We gave it a vacuum, we applied our pre-spray pretty generously, and then we went back and we brushed it using the broom to get a little bit of agitation. It looks awesome. I'm just going to wait for the truck to get up to temperature, about 230 degrees or so. I'll give it a quick extraction going in the same direction just to try to make as much contact with the fibers as we possibly can, and then I'll go ahead and reverse it and do the exact same thing to the other side. With that area rug on the outside, downstairs inside the home, we've got a couple rooms to clean. We will be cleaning down here. It's mainly just odor and dust and that sort of stuff that we're cleaning up today. No major stains coming through here. Pretty straightforward. What we are going to do, because it has already been vacuumed, so phase one's out of the way, we're going to go ahead and pre-spray, and we're going to be using up even more of the rest of the product that we used for the area rug upstairs. Down here, we're going to spray it on. Part A. Part B is agitating with the broom. Then we run our hoses and lines in and move on to phase 3, which consists of our powerful truck-mounted steam cleaning. So we're going to get this all cleaned up. So we've done area rug cleaning here in Portland area rug cleaning, and then we've also doing a couple rooms downstairs using our premium quality carpet cleaning at affordable and reasonable rates. So you guys, really, carpet cleaning consists of a good pre-vacuum, putting down your product, agitating it in, and extracting it out. Now, there are several nuances in between there that you can do to differentiate yourself between all the other carpet cleaners. One of them is to make sure that you go through, you edge all the corners of the walls. Another is to use good deodorizers and scents. I did put an order in for a fogger, and I'm really excited when that gets here because I'll be able to blast that deodorizer in all over a room and make it smell absolutely awesome, because part of cleanliness is psychological. So if you're psychologically clean and happy in your brain, the room is just going to feel and look much better. So going back to what I was mentioning about, carpet cleaning is really only 4 steps, and then there's a whole bunch of nuances you can do in there to differentiate yourself, make yourself more professional, and all that. And one of that is the use of corner guards on your cleaning so that your hoses aren't rubbing up against corners and causing issues there and chipping away at paint. So typically 3 to 4 of them will pretty much get you through any job. I've got about 4 or 5 of these guys. I've never had a job that I couldn't place, corner guards in all the pivotal areas or crucial areas. And then, of course, we leave a whole lot of slack to go into doorways and come out and everything else. So technically, you could put a corner guard there, but we've got so much slack that it's not even coming close to the door. So there you go. Our water is heating up. We're probably around 200 and so degrees right now. I'm going to go ahead and grab our wand and get things connected and start our steam out. Alright, so another thing that a professional carpet cleaning company will do, as opposed to all the other little boys and girls out there cleaning carpets, is that when they complete an area, they will take this broom that I was using for agitation, and they will brush out all of the shark tooth patterns and footprints out of the carpet, so it's just looking pristine and beautiful. A lot of guys will argue that their customers like the shark tooth patterns, but seriously, those patterns leave shadows and things on the carpet, so lots of little spots could totally be hiding. So sure, a lot of it has to do with the customer's perspective, but if they're actually made aware that there's a potential that there could be a whole bunch of stains left on the carpet that they can't see because of the shadowing caused by the marks and everything on the carpets, they might think differently about how cool those shark tooth patterns actually look, or what they think about them. So yeah, there's professional, and then there's just justifying to get away with stupid stuff. So Howells Carpet Cleaning, we go the extra mile to make everything perfect. Alright, so when you're dealing with basement stairs, it's always a little tricky because you pretty much have to start at the top and work your way down. You're having to work around your hose, and then you gotta walk back over that beautiful cleanliness you did. So that does it. I thought I'd get a picture of it before I walk on it and get it messed up, but it looks absolutely beautiful, and then we'll pull our hose up and wrap things up. Thanks for watching.